At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. My people, me did have to come out and drop the video, yeah. Because I see the Jamaica Labour Party, Andrew Holness, come up with some type of things. Just because them say PNP are going good and the Jamaican people them say orange. These people, the Jamaica Labour Party, will do anything. Remember, Mark Golding tell we, they will do anything and go to the extreme mile to make the PNP look bad. Just because they want in a power. Just because they want to win the general election. My wisdom warriors, nationwide put out a news. And when I see it, I'm going to go through it. I say, mighty God of Daniel. You see how nationwide, like for burst people bubbles. And other day, when the black of them have bust up fame bubbles, them, yeah, in a ball out, but local authority. You see how them stay? All right. Anyway, let me get into it. Because this year, me I tell you, say, they make me go on my wrong side right now. Me I tell you no. Nationwide News understands that at least 2 anti-corruption agencies are investigating whether public money from the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, was used to finance the political campaign activities of some of its representatives, including constituency caretakers. When I listen, my wisdom warriors, these 2 anti-corruption agencies not anonymous. They're not anonymous. All right. You see when it come to Andrew Holness and film dirty style with film corruption style, nobody not investigate him. But we know say Andrew Holness I do all of this. We know say Andrew Holness I do all of this. For then drag PNP in the media. But let me tell you something, Andrew Holness. No matter what you do, no matter what you do, you not going to be in power. You not going to win the general election. Yeah? You not going to win the general election. Because you not come up with a plan to try to mess around the PNP. You see, no, God not like ugly Andrew Holness. God not like ugly. You hear me? God not like ugly. You play with fire, you must get burned. Because you see the Jamaican people, them probably sleeping, some of them, but them are going to wake up. They have to wake up. Them have to wake up. You see, through them see the PNP are going so good and the people they love Mark Golding and all these things. I get them a try get back at Mark Golding. I that them a try though. My wisdom warriors, me go read more because me I tell you say a pure bangarang. This investigation appeared to be a consequence. Listen up, a nationwide I write them something I know. Like PNP I do something about it. This investigation appeared to be a consequence of the fallout between the PNP and its former caretaker of Central Kingston. So basically you hear what I say, this appears to be a consequence. That means here Lawrence Rowe now I give information. I saw it sound. That wretch, that boy, yeah, that boy was never a comrade. That boy, my wisdom warriors, let me tell you something. Remember, so we hear about Marsha Smith, Remember, so we hear about them, and for them money galangins, And I like say people don't know, there's allegations out there, But through them are the government, them get away with it. Them get away with everything, and just because we the people sit down and don't do nothing. Just because we the people sit down and don't do nothing. Andrew Holness, you forget investigated. You and your thief in habit forget investigated. On a bright and stinker out of order. My wisdom warriors, me come for them today. Yeah, me come for you, not too bright. The conversation raised serious questions about whether the PNP-controlled KSAMC is using the tax dollars of Jamaicans to shore up support for a political representative in its bid to help the PNP retake control of central government. What we not talk about? What we not talk about? Look how much money gone missing. Look how much money Andrew Holness, thief. How are they rotted while go on here, so? Look how much money Andrew Holness, thief. And I say no anti-corruption investigate nothing. I not say Mocha investigate nothing. I not say none of them investigate anything when it come to Andrew Holness. And Andrew Holness are the biggest #1 criminal in Jamaica. But let me tell you something, Jamaican people, yeah? You see, this is to paint a bad picture upon the PNP. That them do. That are them problem. That is their problem. Do not follow the labor right them. This is a planting. This is a planting. You understand me? You can clearly see. You can clearly see. Here what Nationwide say. Here what Nationwide say. The investigation appear to be a consequence. So to how me I see it, my wisdom warriors, Lawrence Rono, through him not get what him want now, basically to me, him gone now wanna tell them things. I saw it sound, you know, I saw it appear to be to me. You understand me? Then this boy I did a come red. You know, sister, that the boy that's sick in him blouse and skirt head. That the boy they are sick boy, nah no sense. The boy they nah no sense. So when you come up with all this and the whole hour plan up, yeah, why Andrew Holness can't tell me what him do with the charity money? Why Andrew Holness come and tell me what him do with the money them, what Canada give, what England give, what Europe give? Why you not come and talk about that? Why more can you don't go and investigate Andrew Holness money galangins? Why you not investigate that? You pass all of that. If you come over to the PNP, so you not have nothing upon the PNP now. You see, Uno is nothing but a toilet. Uno is nothing but a toilet. My wisdom warriors, let me read more. According to Nationwide, them said they made several attempts over the last 3 days to provide Dr. Campbell Lawrence Rowe and the KSAMC employee opportunities to respond to the allegation. What allegation? Respond to Unawa man? Unawa? You say Uno? Uno really enemy of progress, you know. Uno Nationwide. Me not afraid to cuss out on a clot, you know. Uno is an enemy of the state. Uno no mean Jamaican people well. Because here where you come out and a chat say, Uno made a several attempts. Look how much, you see Uno wicked, you know. Andrew Holness, take SSL money, take charity money. Look how much things Andrew Holness do, take taxpayer money, and none of Uno talk about that. Not one of Uno. You see how quick when you're ready for leak out things, and when people leak out for the business, you get vexed. You see that door? My wisdom warriors, them put out another post. So them say, following the revelation of a recorded conversation and text message exchange between PNP officials regarding the exchange of money, our news center has been making several attempts to get an on-the-record response from the people involved for inclusion in our report. We called Dr. Dayton Campbell mobile phone 7 times between Tuesday and Wednesday to afford him the opportunity to respond to the matter. On the 5th occasion, he answered the phone but refused to give us a response on the record. Yeah? Nationwide, who uno? Let me ask you a question. Who uno? When the blogger them out to talk about Cliff Hughes, when we out here in a chat, when everybody out and attack, yeah? Nobody did a bother uno. Nobody did a call Cliff Hughes or call on the station. My wisdom warriors, yeah? Me have to really, these people, you know, they will go to the extreme to do anything. You see, these people, they will lie. Let me tell you. You see, Andrew Holness administration, they will lie. They will create a scene. Listen, come and tell you now. You see, all of them AI something there. Everything. No, you see, all of them something are AI. Yes, AI. Then too friggin' liar and wicked. Yeah. AI. What me tell you, say, why them never ready for drop the recordings? The time when Lawrence Rowe said I'm going to drop the recordings, yeah? Why him never drop it? Remember, me tell you, say soon them a come with AI. And that me tell you, say soon them a come with AI. Some people no can't fool. only some people who can fool. So my wisdom warriors, why Dayton Campbell figure answer to nationwide? Remember say uno see message, you know. Uno see message and uno hear it. Yeah, we the public not hear it and see it. So why them fi come and talk to uno? Why? Why should they come and talk to uno? That me want know. So uno out here investigate something will never happen. This mad boy never get no money. This idiot boy never get no money. You know what? You see, a good thing. Me glad how they make him go. Me glad. Because you see, Venetia was one of the traitor. He make the second traitor. He come like, hey, gotta work, you know, man. Gotta work to move out the traitor them in the PNP. Send them galang over JLP. Uno out here can't talk about how money this and what. So what? No, seriously. So what? Una talk about money. So what if there was a money conversation? What I go do? Lock up somebody over money conversation, fools? Seriously, the money never given to nobody. Not like how Andrew Holness take taxpayer money and give who you want to give. Una not talk about that. Una fi talk about that. Una fi talk about that. Cause me will remind you. Me will remind you. Come like una forget. Nationwide, why you not talk about Andrew Holness thieving habit? Why una not talk about Andrew thieving habit? And why una not talking about the 88 million that is missing from the KSAMC underneath the Jamaican Labour Party when Delroy Williams was the mayor? My people, take in this. Because I come prepared, you know. Only thing me a ramp on the nastiness.
Former Kingston Mayor Delroy Williams is pushing back against claims of financial discrepancies highlighted in a recent Auditor General's report. The findings focus on millions in alleged unverified spending under a key municipal program during his tenure. The councillor sat down with Ramon Gordon to chat early Monday.
I'm going to ask you very pointedly, sir. Is that $33 million from your time as mayor missing?
And the answer to that is a clear no.
Former Capital City Mayor Delroy Williams has rejected allegations that $33 million went unaccounted for under his watch. The claims are outlined in a special report into the municipal's social housing program, which flagged the discrepancies during his tenure from 2018 to 2022.
We received $64 million to complete 8 projects. The 8 projects were completed at a total cost of roughly $61.3 million, so well in budget.
Williams has joined a growing chorus pushing back against recent reports which have raised questions about oversight in the government's Municipal Social Assistance Program, MSAP, and also the Prime Minister's new social housing program, which the AG has described as a duplicate of existing initiatives.
My wisdom warriors, don't hear that? So the anti-corruption agencies, they're not interested in that because all know, you know, nothing to verify, you know. All I hear him talk off your mouth, you know, nothing to verify. So anti-corruption agencies, more can you all uno not interested in this. Uno not interested in this, but uno interested in a something where somebody said them are going to do and it wasn't done. The 15 million never move, but uno move how much millions and billions of dollars. An anti-corruption agency no show no interest in the money we're gone missing, but them a show interest in the money we're not missing. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Listen, you see all of this, me understand Sir Lawrence Rowe, we upset and whatever, but brother, I don't know what you think you're going to get from it, or you're going to get some power, or I don't know what you do, brother. You understand? Me really don't know what you are do, but you look like you need help. What you need is counseling, brother. I believe you need counseling. It seems like you're going crazy or something wrong with your brother. You understand me? Go and get help. Go and get help. Me people, on the other hand, they want to take us away from all the constitution reform and all the good things that is going on. And from Portmore, listen, we don't pay this no mind. Let me tell you now, we don't pay this no mind. Nationwide, don't stop ring down people. Stop ring down people if you come prove to Uno. Uno is nothing, brother. Uno no nobody. Uno no nobody. You understand? So stop ring down people because other day when the bloggers they on your case, brother. You ball like a baby. You stress. You stress out because then tell us, say, come pay way up with money. Come pay taxpayer money. Because you owe how much billions actually, according to them. You understand? Yeah. So, brother, uno for bill. I don't know why una do all of this. But seriously, uno see Mark Golding out here is standing up for the Jamaican people. Uno know that in our heart. Even the workers them will work at Nationwide. Uno know that in our heart. Uno know say Mark G stand up for the Jamaican people. Uno know say Mark Golding a deal with truth and rights. You understand? And when we hear them talk about anti-corruption agency, Andrew Holness do all of this because he want power. But let me tell you something, Andrew Holness. We the Jamaican people not going to give you no power. You're not going to get no power, brother. You're going to go to prison. You're going to go to prison. You're too out of order and little bit of my case. The whole of uno. Uno too little bit of my case. You understand? Uno too little bit of my case. And a full-time Jamaican people stand up. And PNP massive, uno for stand up now. Uno for stand up because them a paint a bad picture now upon the PNP because the figure them a look company. The figure them a look company. Andrew Holness administration a look company. True, everybody knows that them a criminal. They want make it look like Mark Golding and the PNP team are criminal. They are no criminal. And I want to know why the anti-corruption agency no investigate Andrew Holness and Delroy Williams. Hear how much money gone. But then I can't talk about something where Uno I can't talk about a money we never given. Where Uno labor right give away how much money. Really and truly. Everybody know about that. How much video we see, how much money we not give away. Only things the people are fool, boy, yeah? Only things the people are fool. People know what I go on. People know what I go on. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Storm up the comment section. Tomorrow I'm gonna continue with this. Because me and them tomorrow. Come in a dep on this, I'm gonna like it. I may have more things for sure now. Anyway, wanna just like and share, subscribe to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Hey guys, what's up? Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going on?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? Is that time?
Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me there? What about my neighbor?
I know say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent a broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Let the trumpets play.